Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Makeup. In this video I'm gonna show you how to make this beautiful nail art or nail. This is a press on nails. I made it for myself by myself. Okay, it's a DIY. So I'm gonna show you the whole process from A to Z, how to make this beautiful design. It's wearable in like Valentine's Day and Christmas and any events, birthdays. You can change the colors, you can change the glitter. It's really easy and beginner friendly, and at the same time looks beautiful, glossy and strong. It will last for a long period of time on your nails and so easy. So let's get into it. So hello, so here is what I'm gonna use in this video. First of all, I'm gonna use tips. So I got this from Amazon. I'm gonna search for the link because I have it from a while ago. I can't remember if I still have the link or not, but I'm gonna put it in the description box down below if I find it. So this is like a regular tips, and as you can see it's kind of short and it's kind of like a semi-square thing. It's really clear and beautiful and it's good for this design. I love clear nail tips, and this is my one hand set that I'm gonna create the other hand set with you in this video. So these are the tips that I already chose for my nails. As you can see, it fits perfectly. If you can see, of course, I have a video how to pick it up in 7 tips to make the press on nails stay for a longer period of time. I'm gonna link it in the cards and in the description box down below if you want to go and check it out. It really helps to make the press on nails stay for at least from 3 to 4 weeks perfectly. So these are my nails I'm gonna use in this video. It's very clear so you can see anything, of course. And yeah, I already chose the numbers and we're ready to go. So it's fit my nails perfectly. So what I'm gonna use next is a hand. Of course, I'm not gonna put it on my fingers and then do the design. I'm gonna design it on this beautiful hand. I got this from US Amazon from a really long time ago. It's really handy, really beautiful, and have this beautiful like a kind of a glue sticks. It really helps to stick the nails on top and stay put until I finish my design. And of course we're gonna need a filing, like a file to file any imperfections because we have some on the tips. And these are the color I'm gonna use in this video. This beautiful dark red color and this beautiful, it's a DIY glitter nail polish. I made this by myself. I'm gonna link the video in the cards and in the description box down below. It's really handy and really beautiful, and you can create whatever color you like, and I'm gonna use it in this video. So these are the colors I'm gonna use. Of course you can change the colors if you want, but these are my colors. And I'm gonna use a Valerie top coat at the end. Of course I forgot to mention I'm gonna use like a gel, a clear gel in between. So yeah, I forgot to show you that, but will be later on. And this is my UV lamp. So let's get into it. This is my stuff and let's begin. So first of all, this is my beautiful hands. I'm gonna zoom in a bit. And yeah, let's like put my nails on my tips, my fingertips, my nail tips in order. So this is the thumb, and how to put it on, I'm gonna like place the number. It has a small number on the top of it, so the number will be like outside, not around the nail bed. Okay, so I'm gonna press it here and it's perfect, ready to go. Of course the thumb is the easiest one to pick it up. And because my fingers, my 3 middle fingers, just like they are about the same size to be honest. And this is my little toe or little finger, not toe, it's finger. So this is my little finger. It's easy to pick it up, but now I'm just measuring the nail tips that I choose for my 3 nails in the middle, because they are just very similar, and especially my ring finger and index, they are the same size. So that's why I'm doing it behind the camera, just making sure they are in order. So when I finish everything, I just take it off the hand and like press it on my nails directly. So yeah. Here we go. So we're ready to go. So it's really important. So as you can see, there is a little bit of imperfection, very small thing just on the tip. So what are we gonna do now? I'm gonna use the file to like remove it and make everything smooth and beautiful. So if your tips doesn't have any imperfection, it's okay. Now you don't need the file, but for me I need to like smooth it in and make sure it's not shown because it's hard and it can scratch, so make sure it's smooth and beautiful. I love the shape, I love the length of the nail, so yeah, that's what I'm gonna do with the file. And now after just quick filing, I'm gonna take a clean tissue and make sure there's no residue over the nail tips, so it's ready to go to the next step. And I'm sorry, sometimes my camera went out of focus. I didn't notice until I finished recording, so yeah, it will not interfere with the process. You will see everything. So here we go. So now my nails are ready to add the first coat, so I'm gonna apply this nail polish directly. I don't mind if the back of my nails looks red, it's okay with me, but if you don't, use a kind of a white depth, or you can apply a base coat like a very white or off-white kind of color, so it doesn't stain the back of your nails. But it's okay with me, I am okay with that, so I'm gonna paint my nails red directly, and I'm gonna make sure that I add a generous amount of the color and make sure it's evenly spread all over my tips. As you can see, this nail polish is gel-like and it's amazing by its own. I really love it. It's not a brand, but it's really good. So as you can see, one coat just add a very generous color and even coat. So I'm gonna stick with only one coat with this nail polish. Of course, if it's not that opaque or I need another coat, I will let it completely dry and then apply another one. But for me, it's really nice, so yeah, one coat will do. And as you can see, there's some smudges on the hands, so that's okay. When you remove your nails, you can clean it with the nail polish remover and it will be clean as new. So yeah. So I still have imperfection here, but it doesn't matter. I'm gonna fix it later. And as you can see, I have my layer or my coat of beautiful red color. So what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna leave it completely dry because it's like a regular nail polish. I'm gonna leave it completely dry until I go to the next step, which is now it's ready. I'll let it completely dry in the air, and now it's time to add the glitter. And as you can see, I have my beautiful sponge filled with glitter everywhere. So as you can see, so I'm gonna pick up one clean part. This is like a regular sponge. I cut it off from like a cleaning sponge, so it really does a great job. And this is the glitter DIY I told you about. Again, the video will be in the card description box down below. It's really amazing one. I love doing these kind of glitters. So I shake it very well because this kind of glitter is kind of heavy, so it goes down, so you need to shake it very well, okay, before using it. And now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna add some like nail polish or some glitter over the top on my sponge. Okay, that's very important. Don't apply it directly on your nails because you will not have any glitter on, but with this tip you will have a lot of glitter over your tip. And as you can see, here we go, and dab it very slightly on the tip of my nails and make sure it distributed nicely. And as you can see, made this beautiful gradient glittery effect. Almost no glitter on my sponge. Add a little bit more because I needed a little bit like more glitter on, and make sure that I fill out all the gaps that I have on my nails, make it looks beautiful and gradient as I want. Okay, and here we go, looks beautiful. So now I'm gonna go to my ring finger. I always love like doing these two nails, my thumb and ring finger. Of course you can add it on any nail, you can add it all over the nails, but for me I love having these two like different. So I'm gonna do the same thing, applying the glitter on the tip of my ring finger very gently and make sure it's covered and looks beautiful. Here we go. So as you can see, this is the final art. Okay, we're not finished yet. This is the final thing. So I'm gonna leave this glitter completely dry until I go to the next step. So yeah, Next step, it's optional of course, but after drying the glitter completely, like leave it for like quite some time. This is optional, but it's important for me because as you can see here, the nail tips is not strong. It's not strong at all, so not gonna last. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna use a gel, clear gel, apply on top my nail art, so that will give me kind of a nice volume over the nail, and it will make it way stronger than it is, and it will last with me for like forever, okay, until I take it off. Okay, as you can see, I'm not adding too much. It's just like having this little pole here and apply over my thumb and make sure I distribute it all over my nail tip. This gel is kind of a leveling, like self-leveling gel, so even it feels sticky and you can see some strikes while applying this gel. When I leave it for a couple seconds, it will begin to self-level and the surface will be smooth and beautiful. Just make sure add a nice amount, not too much, and leave it self-leveling, and it's good to go. So I'm gonna do this thing to all my nails. So as you can see, I finished applying the gel all over my nails, and as you can see, begin to become shiny and self-leveling. You can see it very smooth. So to help the self-leveling, I'm gonna flip my hands so that gravity will help the gel to become more rounded and beautiful on the nails. And I'm gonna leave it for a couple of seconds until I have my UV lamp just right here. Okay, not too much, okay, just a little. That will help a lot. But when I apply or add my hand or the hand on the UV lamp, I'm gonna flip it over like this, and I'm gonna leave it for 60 seconds. I'm gonna speed it up, of course. Here we go. That was very quickly, yeah? So, yeah, we're kind of good to go. So this gel has a sticky and like finish. So you have one of two options. You can clean it with alcohol or like a nail polish remover, but this glossy feeling will disappear and will leave kind of semi-glossy finish. But I love glossy finish, so I'm gonna do this step, which is again completely optional, to add a glossy top coat. I love this top coat. As I told you, it's really amazing, really strong, makes my nails, even if I apply on my natural nails, makes my nails strong. So it will add two things. First, it will give me this beautiful and perfect glossy finish that I really like, and this like top coat is glossy like forever. It will never become dull. It's amazing. And the second thing, it will help the gel to make my nail tips even stronger so it can last longer. So yeah, I'm gonna apply a nice coat all over my nails and then cure it for 1 minute. Okay, so now I'm gonna cure it for 1 minute in my UV lamp. So I'm bringing my UV lamp and apply my hand inside for 60 seconds. Here we go, and now it's done. Okay, everything is perfect and it's done. It's glossy, it's no wipe top coat, so yeah, that's amazing. And as you can see, the nail tip becomes so strong and it's ready to apply on my nails. So what I'm gonna do off camera, I'm gonna clean my nails from this top coat and apply my beautiful tips and come back. So this is the final result, and as you can see, looks flawless. It looks amazing. I love this. As I told you, for Christmas, for Valentine, for 4th of July, okay, for any event you can change the color, you can change the glitter. It's amazing, and this top coat, glossy top coat, is phenomenal. I will love it so much. If you find it, pick it up. So this is for this video. I really hope you like it and it was helpful. And of course, as usual, don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and share the video with your friends if you like it. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram and Facebook. These links will be in the description box down below. And don't forget to hit the bell button so you have a notification every time I upload a new video on my channel. And I'm gonna see you soon. Bye!